Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So we are going to end today with the Multiplication Nation live stream. So our first example problem is 728 times 3. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So starting in the ones place, 8 times 3 equals 24. Because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. The 4 and 24 goes in the ones place. The 2 and 24 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we have to multiply 2 times 3, and then we have to add the 2 that we carried over to our answer. So we're going to multiply 2 times 3, and then we have to add the 2 that we're carrying over. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now, we do not need to regroup in the tens place because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 7 times 3 equals 21. And we have our final answer. 728 times 3 equals 2,184. All right, moving on to the next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, next problem. We have 83 times 58. So starting in the ones place, we're going to multiply 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4, carry the 2. 8 times 8 equals 64, plus 2 is 66. Now, before we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place, we got to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Three times 5 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. I like to cross out the last number I carried over once I carry it over so I don't get confused. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 1 equals 41. Now the final step is we have to add these two numbers together. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Four plus 0 equals 4. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 equals 8. Zero plus 4 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 83 times 58 equals 4,814. Shout out to everybody tuning in. All right, moving on to the next example problem. Going to get progressively harder with each one. Here we go. All right, 528 times 45. Hi, welcome to the chat. All right, so we always start in the ones place. We're going to start multiplying 8 times 5. For those of you that just tuned in, we regroup whenever the product is 10 or more. So 8 times 5 equals 40. Since our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. The 0 and 40 goes in the ones place. The 4 and 40 gets carried over to the tens place. 2 times 5 equals 10. Plus 4 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 5 times 5 equals 25. Plus 1 equals 26. Now, before we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place, we got to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Do not forget that step. That is very important. So next we multiply 8 times 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. 2 carry the 3. Two times 4 equals 8, plus 3 equals 11. 1 carry the 1. 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 1 equals 21. Now we are not done yet. To get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. Zero plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 528 times 45 equals 23,760. All right, moving on to the next example problem. And this next example will probably be the final example of the video. Shout out to the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right, final example of the video. We have 243 times 199. So, starting in the ones place, 3 times 9 equals 27. 7 carry the 2. 4 times 9 equals 36. We have to add the 2 that we carried over. 36 plus 2 equals 38. 8 carry the 3. 2 times 9 equals 18. Plus 3 equals 21. Now, before we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place, we got to put a 0 in the ones place, since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied. Again now, 3 times 9 equals 27. 7 carry the 2. 4 times 9 equals 36, plus 2 equals 38. 8 carry the 3. 2 times 9 equals 18, plus 3 equals 21. It sounds repetitive because both in the ones and tens place we ended up multiplying by 9. That's why it sort of sounds a little bit repetitive here. All right. Now, before we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place, we have to put a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place, since both numbers in the ones and tens place have now been multiplied. Now from here, the multiplication is simple. Anything multiplied by 1 is the number itself, so 3 times 1 equals 3. 4 times 1 equals 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these 3 numbers together. Seven plus 0 equals 7. 8 plus 7 plus 0 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 8 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4, plus 4 equals 8. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And we have our final answer. $243 times 199 equals 48,357. And that concludes my live stream for this evening. Thank you for tuning in to the Multiplication Nation. Thank you for tuning in to the Multiplication Nation live stream for this Wednesday night. I'm Mr. Camilleri. This is the Mr. Camilleri Show, and I will see you all next time. Please hit the like button before you go and let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill.